If you're looking for a functional family vehicle with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at the certified pre-owned 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Touring in Ocean Blue Metallic with S-Appearance package, gloss upper and lower grille surround, 18-inch aluminum black noise wheels, black noise badging, black STOW in place roof rack, power sliding doors, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 4,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, 3-zone temperature control, second and third row stow and go seats with easy tilt, second and third row window shades, power liftgate, 3.6 liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5311.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.